In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Lucidchart for creating a floor plan. If you're new to Lucidchart or just need a little guidance on getting started with designing floor plans, you've come to the right place. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open up Lucidchart. Once you're logged in, navigate to the home page. It's like your dashboard, where you can see all your recent projects. Now, look for the New button. It's usually prominent on your screen. Clicking here opens up your options to start something fresh. Once you click New, hover over Lucidchart. This action will show you several options related to Lucidchart functionalities. The next step is to select Create from Template. This is a handy feature, especially if you want a quick start with templates that are tailor-made for floor plans or any other specific design. Now you'll be greeted with a variety of templates, but today we're focusing on floor plans. Instead of scrolling, let's keep things simple and use the search bar. Type in floor plan to filter out the relevant templates. You'll find several possibilities come up. Browse through them and choose the one that aligns with your vision for the floor plan. Once you've chosen your preferred floor plan template, click on it. This will open a detailed view of that template. It's like a preview of what's to come. After you're satisfied with your choice, you'll want to press Use Template. This imports the template into your editing workspace where you can start customizing. With your template ready, it's time to make it your own. Begin by adding walls. Lucidchart provides easy-to-use tools for this. You can drag and drop walls to define spaces in your floor plan. You can adjust the length and angles according to your requirement. Next, think about your rooms. Where do they fit into the layout? You can literally draw out each room's boundaries, ensuring your floor plan is detailed and well organized. The same goes for adding doors and windows, essential for a complete and functional map of any space. Let your creativity shine through, ensuring practicality at the same time. Measurements are key to any floor plan. With Lucidchart, you can easily add dimensions to your design, giving you a precise layout. This helps not only in visualizing the space, but also in providing accurate data for real-world application. Finally, if your design involves multiple levels, remember to add stairs. Properly placed stairs can harmonize the flow between different parts of your building layout. Adjust to suit your design needs and finalize your floor plan with these finishing touches. This wraps up our walkthrough of using Lucidchart for creating a floor plan. I hope this guide helps you feel confident and empowered to start working on your project right away. Happy designing!